Hi, I'm James here at Luscombe Motors, and today I'm going to be showing you around this 2024 plate Seat Leon SE. Really smart car, it's in very nice condition. Modern looking car as well. You can see you've got the sleek LED lights and the bold grille there. The vehicle came into us part exchange. It's in excellent condition, exterior and interior. So you've got the nice spoked alloys there. White paintwork contrasts nicely with the LED lighting and the rear tinted glass. Some nice features in this vehicle as well, which I will get to. The turbocharged engine will deliver over 50 miles to the gallon, which for an automatic is very impressive. Let's start by having a look in the boots. So, hard to get across in the video, but a great size boot, plenty of space for luggage, buggies, etc., and all in nice condition. You can also see you've got the LED lighting at the rear light clusters, adds to the sleek looks there as well. Inside the vehicle, well, it's in just as nice a condition as the exterior. Seats three comfortably. Carpets, back of the seats, all in good condition, and you can see a well thought out car, not just for the front passengers. You've got climate control throughout, which you can control in the rear of the vehicle, so your rear passengers can be just as comfy as yourselves up front, if not more comfy. You've also got two USB-C charging points as well. Then if we take a look up front, really nice spacious cabin for the front passenger and driver. A nice large entertainment screen with sat nav, CarPlay, like I said, reverse camera, and you can see the centre console, dashboard and steering wheel in nice condition. Quite a few nice driver aids as well, so adaptive cruise control for your longer journeys. The vehicle itself has a full service history. We will also provide it with a fresh service and warranty before leaving. If you'd like more information on this excellent vehicle, then please get in touch with myself, James, and I shall happily help. Thanks for watching.